Good morning students. Today in this video we are going to do lesson number 2 Incredible India, and we are going to deal with the important component of this chapter, that is states and their capitals. In this video we will study the location of different states and their capitals. For learning it, you should know the new political map of our country, India, which comprises of 28 states and 8 union territories. The recent developments that have been made in the political boundaries of our country are the formation of 2 union territories, Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh, out of the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Now they are the 2 different union territories of our country. You have filled this map in class 3 as well, so you can look at it again and fill accordingly to practice the political map of India. In order to study this political map of India, you should know minutely the northern states, the southern states, the western states, and the eastern and the northeastern states of India. So, in this video, we will start first with the northern states of India. You can take a look at the small clipping of political map of India, which shows only the northern states of India. You can exclude here Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh, which are now union territories. So the northern states of India are Himachal Pradesh, whose capital is Shimla. You can easily find it in this map that I have put. Second is Uttarakhand, whose capital is Dehradun. Third is Punjab, whose capital is Chandigarh. Next is Uttar Pradesh, whose capital is Lucknow. And 2 more states, Haryana, whose capital is Chandigarh, and our own national capital territory of Delhi, whose capital is New Delhi. I have written only 4 states. You can practice these 6 states which comprise our northern India. The next we are going to study about is the southern states of India. As you can see the map of India. So the first southern state of India is Telangana, which is carved from the state of Andhra Pradesh in the month of June in the year 2014. Its capital is Hyderabad. Next is our Andhra Pradesh, whose capital is also Hyderabad. Next is Kerala, the capital is Thiruvananthapuram. Next is Tamil Nadu, whose capital is Chennai. Lastly, Karnataka, whose capital is Bangalore. So all these 5 states comprises our southern India, which is also called Peninsular India, as it is having water bodies on its 3 sides. Next, we are going to study about the eastern states of India. As you can see in this map, the eastern states of India. First is Odisha, whose capital is Bhubaneswar. Next is West Bengal, the capital is Kolkata. Next is Bihar, whose capital is Patna. And another one is Jharkhand, which you can see in this map, whose capital is Ranchi. Now we are going to learn about western states of India. Again, I'm showcasing a map which are highlighting only the western states of India. The first is Rajasthan, which is also called a desert state, as it includes the Thar Desert, which is also called Western Desert. Its capital is Jaipur. Next is Gujarat, whose capital is Gandhinagar. Next is Maharashtra, whose capital is Mumbai. And also Goa, which you can see in the map also, whose capital is Panaji. So these states comprises our western India. Now, lastly, we are going to study about northeastern states of India. As I've told you in my last video also, these states are clubbed together, which are also called as Seven Sisters. And since they lie in the northeast direction, so they are also called northeastern states. I have included the names of few, but in this map you can see all the seven northeastern states of India. So first is Assam, whose capital is Dispur, as you can see. Next is Tripura, whose capital is Agartala. Next is Manipur, the capital is Imphal. Next is Nagaland, whose capital is Kohima. Apart from this, there is Meghalaya also, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Mizoram, which you can see and learn to locate them with the political map of India. Now, my advice to each one of you is each day practice different directions and the states lying in them. Like in one day, you can practice northern states, another day, southern states, then east, then west, and lastly, northeastern states. This way, you will be able to learn the complete political map of India. Do practice, do read through this video, watch this video again, and learn the location of these states and their capitals. That's all for this video. Thank you.